Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Also today, I'm going to show you how to replace your Purge Valve solenoid on your Fiat 500 Abarth. I think it's specific for this car, but it's the same idea as a regular Fiat 500. I'm not sure because the structures might be a little bit different. This is the Purge Valve solenoid. This is where the vapor comes in and it checks it, things like that. That's why it's called Purge Valve. To remove it, go ahead and remove your intake box. Just remove the hose right over here and the clamp that goes over here, and then pull it up. It has a 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. And then this might have been clamped underneath it, but I know mine, I've taken it out so long ago that I have not clamped anything yet. Anyway, to take it out, so what you need to do is squeeze this part right over here. Actually, let me show it to you here. So to take it out, squeeze this part, the green part, and then this one just as a regular hose. So pull this out, and it might be stiff if you haven't removed it in so long. So on the back plug, I'm gonna have to show you. On the back plug right over here, you just have to squeeze and pull that white tab over there. You see that? That white tab came out. So you just need to squeeze it until it comes off. Let me just take this out first. Oh, it's a little bit easier. There you go. So see this white tab? Push that out and squeeze it back down. Squeeze it right here from the body, and then it'll release that little black pin over there, or tab. All right, so now let's remove the other side. Now we'll take out the other side. That's it. And push this out. That is your Purge Valve solenoid. Solenoid, not solenoid, solenoid. And we'll put back the new one. This is a good maintenance because if you have a hard start in the morning, or hard start at all, this could be one of the reasons. Or if you have a hard start and this is not the problem, you might have a leak somewhere else in the system. So you better check the back too, which I did which also I did the other night. So we're just continuing because I want to do it during the day. All right, so we'll put the new one on. It's just reverse process. Plug everything back in, and then start the car. So sometimes this can get broken, or the electronic component inside. I don't know what's inside of it, but it might just be a switch or something. I don't know. That opens it and closes it. Anyway, let's put them back on. You can actually, you know what? Let's put everything. Nah, let's just. Actually, I think you can, because I'm using my one hand. You could just probably put this thing back, just like that, and then the other side, just like that. One hand. And then, oh no, it's not. Damn, it's harder to put it back. One. So just put it like that. Then put the bottom back. You can hear it click, okay? Careful putting it, you don't want to bend those pins. There you go. Push the bottom tab on the bottom. Put this green back, squeeze it, and trigger it. Make sure that thing is solidly placed all the way in. That's it. Alright guys, that's how you replace your solenoid valve on your Fiat 500 Abarth. I think all years have it. I don't know if they have changed it on a 17, 19. Anyway, this is a 2013, so I gotta clean my back area right here. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean this up. Oh my lord, very dusty. All right guys, put everything back, your intake, and then don't forget to put your vent hose and start the car for 15 minutes, and then make sure everything is okay. Thanks for watching. Until next time, please subscribe if you can. And that's how easy it is to replace your Purge Valve solenoid on your Fiat 500 Abarth. All right, guys, be safe. I hope that helps. If you're having an issue with some kind of a P code, I'm not having that issue, but it's just a maintenance thing, so it's not that expensive anyway to buy those, just on a hard start. Anyway, have a good day. God bless. Subscribe if you can, and don't forget the thumbs up. That will help me out on my channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.